Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Using your WIC benefits at Walmart through their app is now simpler than ever for 2025. This guide shows you exactly how to navigate the process, ensuring you can access your healthy food options with ease. We will walk you through setting up your account, adding your WIC card, and successfully checking out your groceries online. This updated method helps you access your essentials more conveniently, saving you precious time and effort. Before you begin shopping, take a moment to prepare your Walmart account for WIC purchases. You will need an existing Walmart.com account, so if you do not have one yet, it is a quick process to set one up. Make sure your personal information and address are current, as this ensures smooth transactions and accurate pickup locations. Having your account ready is the crucial first step for seamless WIC integration online. The key step to unlocking online WIC shopping is securely linking your WIC card to your digital wallet within the Walmart app. Navigate to your account section, then find Payment Methods, and select Add New Payment Method. Here, you will choose EBT or food stamps and carefully enter your WIC card details as prompted. Once saved, your WIC card is ready to be used for eligible items during checkout, making future purchases much quicker. Once your card is linked, you can start shopping. Look for WIC-eligible items, often marked with a special tag, or use the search filters to narrow down your choices. Add all your desired WIC items to your cart, along with any other groceries you might need for your household. At checkout, be sure to select your WIC EBT card as the payment method for the eligible items. The app will automatically separate WIC purchases from non-WIC items, streamlining your payment process. To ensure a smooth shopping experience, always confirm that your WIC benefits cover the specific items you are purchasing, as eligibility can sometimes vary by state. We recommend using the pickup option for convenience, as delivery services may involve additional fees that WIC does not cover. Remember, if your cart includes non-WIC items, you will need to use a different payment method for those remaining charges. Enjoy the ease and efficiency of managing your WIC benefits online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.